ISTQB Foundation Level, question 509. Which of the following defines the scope of maintenance testing? A. The coverage of the current regression pack. B. The size and risk of any changes to the system. C. The time since the last change was made to the system. D. Defects found at the last regression test run.
Take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to don't miss new ISTQB questions and answers that will help you guaranteed enhancing your skills. Join us on this learning journey. If you find value in that I do and my videos help you, then you have the option to donate through the links in the video description to I can release new videos on ISTQB questions on a regular basis.
Correct answer is B, according to ISTQB Syllabus. The scope of maintenance testing is determined by size of the change. Larger changes may require extensive testing, while minor fixes might need only targeted testing. Risk associated with the change. High-risk changes, e.g. security updates, core functionality modifications, demand broader regression and impact analysis. Potential side effects. Even a small modification can impact other system areas, requiring thorough regression testing. All the rest of the answers are wrong. Answer A is not correct, because regression testing is a part of maintenance testing, but does not fully define its scope. Answer C is not correct, because the frequency of changes does not determine the scope. The nature and risk of changes do. Answer D is not correct, because previous defects are important, but maintenance testing focuses on new modifications and potential risks. My recommendation: please remember maintenance testing to pass STFL exam. Explanation. Finally, let's look at the section 2.3 maintenance testing in the ISTQB syllabus, where we can see that the scope of maintenance testing typically depends on the degree of risk of the change, the size of the existing system, the size of the change. This is fully consistent with the correct answer B. At first glance, this question is some difficult, but when you think about it, it's pretty logical and simple. Don't stop, never give up.